So you're probably wondering how to get FNF vocals in bandlab if there are no FNF instruments. So yeah, you can see. Yeah, I'll just, as you can see, it works. So yeah, how do you get this? You have to go to this link. I'm not gonna tell you why is this, ignore this. So actually, sorry, I'm gonna tell you the link. I'm gonna put the link into the description. And then you can see all these different chromatic scales. So if you're wondering what the chromatic scale is, it's basically them just singing every note. Like if we skip here, for instance, it's not what, but I think you get the idea at least. Okay. So yeah, to download this, you can just right click on it and then press download and okay. Yeah, and then once you have it downloaded, you wanna add a track and then sampler, and then the sampler is over here. You can click this and then go to V, and then until 7, and then 7 is the end of the thing. Like this is track 16. So then you wanna add this, and then I'll just I'm very sorry, I accidentally recorded my Discord. Frick, I burped. Anyways, yeah, this is where we were, and then wait a sec, I have to delete a non-existent file. Okay, now, yeah, I just, yeah, okay. Now, everything is done. So, yeah. Okay, so now we just have to, get the chromatic scale. I don't know where I put it, to be honest. Wait, let me find it. Yeah, I remember now. It's in my D drive. Yeah, sorry, I have like, yeah, I'm bad at seeing or looking for stuff. I don't know. Yeah, just yeah, the file is too long. Okay, so once you've done that, you can just like go to the, yeah, you just find the note you want to start with. So start with this. Do. Okay, yeah, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Yeah, and then you can like, yeah. I'm not gonna do everything because this is just an example. And then you can go to the MIDI editor, and then oh yeah, I forgot to mention that V is the first and then 7 is the last. Keep that in mind. And then the MIDI editor, you can just, oh, I have to draw. Yeah, and then you can make it longer. Yeah, you get the idea. So thank you for watching. Have a great day and bye.